We previously laid out the mortise locations for the rear seat rail as well as the seat side rail. Based on the template, we drew the location for the backrest, but we need to verify these measurements. On the drawing, the distance from the top of the top mortise to the top of the leg does not necessarily matter. What does matter is the size of the mortise and the 11 3/4 inch measurement. The 11 3/4 inch measurement is probably the most critical measurement of all of these. So we'll begin by keeping the top measurement, measuring down 2 1/4 for our uppermost mortise. Then placing that critical measurement of 11 3/4, followed by our 1 3/4 inch measurement. And then we'll go back and verify the widths. And with the rest of those mortise locations laid out, we should be ready to move forward.